How to create ripped paper portrait effect. Torn paper effect in Photoshop. Press Ctrl+J, copy layer. Create a new layer. Top layer hide. Select the brush tool. Top layer unhide. Alt press top clip layer. Create new fill or adjustment layer. Select black and white. Adjust. Alt press top clip layer. Create a new layer. Alt press top clip layer. Select the brush tool. Torn paper design. Right-click. Select the blending option. Select the outer glow.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.